Action.
Here's an introduction to the Bachmann Easy Command Control Center. There are two sort of power things here. So the thing that looks like an audio connector needs to go in the one which is to the track, and the other one that looks like a power connector goes into the one called 16 volts AC in. Okay, so let's just have a little bit of a guided tour of the controller. Fairly obviously this controls the speed of the train. Here's a power light. So normally the power light is just lit like this. If you have an emergency and you need to stop all of the trains, you can press this stop button here and it will stop everything. But once you press the emergency stop, then the power light, this one here, will flash on and off. So to come out of the emergency, you just press stop again. Okay, you can see that there are 10 buttons here, and there's basically one button for each of the trains, each of the locomotives. So I'll put a little picture here for each of the locos, and if the little LED is lit here, it means that that loco is the currently selected one. So if we were to operate the controller now, then that locomotive, this one here, would actually start up. If it doesn't start up like that, oh, it is starting up, it's just a bit of inertia. And then I'm going to stop it again, like that. Now, if I want to basically choose another train, then I just press another button. So if I wanted to choose this blue class 25 here, I could literally just press 4, and now it would be selecting that train. So now the controller would be controlling that blue train. So I'm going to go back to this hall here, and like that. Now these buttons also control sounds and things like that. But if you want to choose a sound, you basically have to have this LED flashing on and off. So if you press the function button, it is now going to be choosing the sound associated with each of these buttons. So this first one, number 1, is sound on and off. So if I press number 1 now, the sound comes on, and if I press it again, then the sound goes off. So I'm going to turn the sound on, and now it's indicating that this locomotive is the currently selected one. So if I turn up the power, now the direction buttons change the direction. So if I choose reverse, it will come to a stop and then go back into reverse. And if there's an emergency, I can just press the stop button and everything stops. And basically you can see the flashing power light indicates that everything stopped. So best thing to do is turn the controller down before you turn it back on again, so it doesn't shoot off, as it were. Okay, let's just stop that one there.